gotta try new things with your friends. Okay, there we go. I've never been kayaking, so. Do more white activities.
These needs for C's, G's of G's, C's properties, shopper sprees, chop the cheese, drop degrees to stop diseases. G whiz ball, doom rock grandma like the kumbaya. Mama was a hoe hopper, Papa was a Rolling Stone star like Obama, pull a car like old drama.
I've never been out here. This is crazy.
Which that might be hard to get them to.
Like, being out here shows me, like, people just do shit like this all the time. Do I like it? No, not really. I don't really like not having power over myself. But at the end of the day, like, I'm just on some water, bro. In the middle of fucking Ohio. Try new things, yo. This shit's so serene. Crazy shit. Actually crazy shit.
My plane crash, now let me burn. Tell my homies thanks for the help. Tell on my uncle stop boozing. Tell her that I try to be perfect, but I'm tired of the yelling. I